Hi everyone, this is Toppy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and I'm doing well too. Guys, today's day 48 of my English speaking practice, and today I'm very late for making this video cause it is almost evening time and I have to finish this video as soon as possible because it is getting dark, but today's weather is very good and the sun has risen. That's why it is not like that. Guys, for making this video I found this place empty. I went many places for making videos, but everywhere people are available, so I wasn't able to make video there. So finally I came to this place for making video, but now it is evening and the mosquito are biting me, so this is very bad thing what is happening with me. So I should record this video very quickly and left this place. Actually I was trying make this video another place, but suddenly some noise were coming in my videos, so I left the place and I have come to this place for making my videos. Actually I travel a lot for making a single video, so that's why sometimes I wasn't able to upload my videos on my YouTube channel because I couldn't make my videos properly for many reasons. And today in the morning I went a place for doing a work. That's why morning in the morning I wasn't able make any videos. I should make video in the morning because in the afternoon or in the evening it is very hard for making any video because of many reasons. I have to make videos, that's why I am trying hard for this video actually. And now I am holding a guava tree, and do you know guys, this tree is our neighbor's tree and we all neighbors eat guava from these trees because they don't say anything for eating guava. So we all like eat guava from these trees, and there are some guava trees here. Okay, and this place is quiet, and that's why I always suggest for making video here. And I am making this video here also today. So guys, I am walking on a bare feet. I always try to walk bare feet because there is a problem behind this, and this problem is actually my feet and my palm always stay hot and I feel hot always. So sometimes I try to walk on a bare feet to release my heat, and when I walk on a bare feet I feel relaxed on my feet. That's why I prefer, and I walk on a bare feet when I stay around my house and in my house. So that time I try to walk on a bare feet, and this is also very helpful for our health. So I combine these two things, and there is two benefits behind this. First of all, it releases my heat, and second is it is very good for our health. So actually this is very good, you can try it as I do, so you can also try it. Okay, and guys, I have to finish here because it is very late and I have to do some household chores, and I will make my another video. So wait for my another video next day. I will definitely upload my another video and see you in the next video. Till then, keep happy, keep practicing and keep learning. Okay guys, Bye bye.